What is up, everybody? Seth here, and today is the best day of the week, as my dad always says. It's cement day. Alrighty, like I said before, it is cement day. So today is an all hands on deck day here at the shop. As you can see behind me, we've got our cement tables all set up. Our cement tables can actually roll around with casters and that. We also have our frame set up with newspaper in them so that the cement does not stick to the table. And then, as you can see right behind me, we've got the first table all pulled up to the garage door. We'll open up this garage door when the cement truck gets here. He'll lower his chute down and we'll just pour it right here in the shop and move our tables around. Some of you might be wondering why we don't do granite foundations. One of the reasons why is because it keeps our cost lower for our customers. It's more cost effective. We do use a fiberglass reinforced concrete mix, so it's pretty strong stuff. And yeah, the reason why we have to do cement is the local cemeteries around us here in northern Utah, southern Idaho and that, they require a mow strip. So it's either 6 to 8 inches of cement all the way around the base of a monument and or a slant or just any marker, pillow marker in that. So we'll jump right into cement. You'll see that time lapse right here. So now that the frames are filled with cement and we've got our boards on it, we'll go ahead with the tractor and bring in the pieces of granite that are going to be in the cement, and we'll get them set on the boards. So we've got the granite on the boards now. The cement's just a little bit too wet for us to be putting the granite into it. We are going to do more of a monolithic pour, so that means that the granite's going to be sitting about 1/4 of an inch into the cement. So we'll go ahead and we'll let the cement firm up a little bit. All right, so the cement has cured up, so we'll go ahead and we'll drop the headstones into the cement. And then we'll start our finishing process. That consists of edging, smoothing, and letting it dry. Edging, smoothing, and letting it dry over the next couple hours. And then we'll go ahead and we'll do our final finish on it, which is our signature trademark here at Bott & Sons Monument. All right, well, we just put the finish on everything, so now we'll go ahead and we'll let the cement set up and cure over the next couple days, and then we'll also take the stones off the tables and get them ready for placement in the cemetery. But that's it, folks. That'll finish up cement day. Hope you learned something new from a 100-year-old trade.